The mean number of minutes for app engagement by table use is 8.2 minutes. Suppose the standard deviation is 1 minute. Take a sample size of 70. What is the probability that the sum of the sample is between 7 hours and 10 hours? And then we're asked to find the 84th and the 16th percentiles for the sum of the sample. So we need to start off by finding our mean. So our mean that we're going to use, because we're using a sum, we got to find the new mean, which we're going to find by the number of the sample, which is 70, times the mean, which is 8.2 minutes. This gives us a mean of 574 minutes. Our standard deviation is going to be the square root of our sample, which is 70, times the standard deviation that we're given, which is 1 minute, which gives us a standard deviation of 8.366. So now we want to be careful because 7 hours and 10 hours, and this is in minutes. So for 7 hours, we're going to go ahead and multiply 7 times 60 to get 420 minutes. 10 hours, 10 times 60 is 600. So now we're good to enter our information into our calculator here. We're going to use the normal. Our mean is going to be 574. Our standard deviation is 8.366. And we're looking for values between 420 and 600. And it gives me the probability equals 0.9991. The second question asks us to find the 84th and the 16th percentiles. So we're going to work backwards. Whenever we're looking for percentiles, we're going to use this left side. And we're going to change this because we want the 84th. So I'm going to change that to 0.84. And it tells me that the P, which is the number here, is 582. So 582 minutes gives us the 84th percentile. The other one we want to find is the 16th percentile. So I'm going to change this to 16, and this tells me that the minutes for the 16th percentile is 565.68 minutes. So that gives me my 16th percentile.